1991 Nissan 300Z x 2 plus 2. Price, $16,750. Location, San Jose, California. The 1991 Nissan 300Z x 2 plus 2 is the kind of Japanese sports car that instantly transports you back to the golden era of the 1990s. With its futuristic styling, aggressive stance, and iconic T-top roof design, this legendary Z32 still looks like something straight out of a retro racing video game. Finished in stunning charcoal pearl paint with only 43,934 original miles. This low-mileage survivor represents everything enthusiasts love about classic JDM engineering. The moment you walk around this car, the details immediately stand out. The sleek aerodynamic body lines, integrated fog lights, signature quad exhaust setup, and factory 16-inch alloy wheels create a timeless appearance that still turns heads more than 3 decades later. Nissan designed the 300ZX to compete with the world's best Grand Touring sports cars. And even today it feels exotic, rare, and incredibly advanced for its time. The heart of this machine is the famous 3.0-liter twin-cam 24-valve V6 engine paired with an automatic overdrive transmission. The power delivery is smooth, refined, and surprisingly strong, making this car perfect for both highway cruising and spirited weekend drives. The removable glass T-top panels completely transform the driving experience, allowing drivers to enjoy open-air freedom while still surrounded by the cockpit feel of a true sports car. The interior of this Nissan 300ZX feels like stepping inside a premium Japanese luxury coupe from the early 1990s. The charcoal interior features power-adjustable seats, automatic climate control, cruise control, power windows, and factory Bose audio that delivers rich sound throughout the cabin. Every button, switch, and gauge reminds you how much effort Nissan invested into making the Z32 one of the most technologically advanced sports cars of its era. The driving experience is where this car truly becomes unforgettable. The balanced chassis, 4-wheel disc brakes, and refined suspension create a confident and comfortable ride that perfectly blends sportiness with grand touring comfort. Whether cruising through city streets at night or attacking long California highways, the 300ZX delivers a driving sensation that modern cars often fail to replicate. The Nissan 300ZX became an automotive icon because it combined performance, reliability, luxury, and futuristic styling into one unforgettable package. Clean examples with low mileage and a clean Carfax history are becoming harder to find every single year, making this example even more desirable among collectors and enthusiasts. For fans of classic Japanese performance cars, this 1991 Nissan 300Z x 2 plus 2 is not just transportation. It is a symbol of an era when Nissan built some of the most exciting sports cars in the world.